Yes, very good morning, Nakul and Pratham.
Good morning, sir.
Please be online. These are the first group members' name they are supposed to present. Let me first share the disclaimer with you, then after you may start. Okay. So, very good morning to all my dear students. Here we go with the disclaimer. Okay, now who is going to lead this group? Nakul, are you going to lead?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please continue. Stage is over to you, dear. Best of luck.
સર સ્ટાર્ટ કરી જ દે ને.
હા, સ્ટાર્ટ કરી જ દ્યો.
ઓકે, હાલો. Ready, sir? Screen visible? Hello. Screen visible?
હા.
Yes, Nakul.
Okay, okay. My name is Nakul Topia. My group company name is Apple. Short analysis of Apple. Apple's strength, most valuable brand. Apple is ranked hashtag one for first for the eighth consecutive year by entered with a brand value dollar 322 billion. एप्पल की एप्पल 60 रुपीज पर किलो भी मिलती है और 60,000 की एक पीस पर मिलती है. एप्पल globally iconic. Apple is one of the most reliable company when it comes to personalized advanced computers and smart technology. सबसे एप्पल सबसे विश्वसनीय कंपनी में एक है. Top technology. Apple was the first to introduce some of the most innovative products to that have changed the world. iPhones and iPads. Apple is still determined to build and craft better, more the technology advice. एप्पल दुनिया की बदलने वाले कुछ सबसे नवीन उत्पादन आईफोन एंड आईपैड पेश करने जा रही है. Next slide. Fourth, brand of choice. It isn't big news that Apple is a demand brand in corporate office. Apple has a specific business page that offer quality technology solution every corporation needs. Fifth, proficient research. Apple puts dedication to its products, design careful study, and integrate further research in perform to help customer needs and requirement. Apple अपने उत्पादनों डिजाइन में समर्पण रखता है और सावधानी पूर्वक अध्ययन शुरू किया गया है और एप्पल की सिक्योरिटी है वो बेस्ट है एंड्रॉइड से ज्यादा. थैंक यू सर. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. वीकनेस. पार्थ.
Hello, my name is Parth Amrutia. Apple weakness is high price product. Apple's product can be considered a luxury due to their premium prices. Their products are priced for middle and high income consumer. Low income consumer can't simply afford simply afford the Apple product due to their premium pricing. Only middle or high class individual can afford their products. Limited advertisement and promotions. Apple has their solidified their grounds by establish loyal loyal customer even with limited advertising resources. Apple marketing relies heavily on its income and flagship retail stores. Because of their success, Apple does not the feel the need to have extensive spending revolves advertisement in comparison to other big brands such as P&G, Coca-Cola, and Samsung Technology. Entering into area of non-competency, Apple is rapidly expanding into new services such as video content streaming, game streaming, credit card, competing with the dominating player such as Netflix, Disney, Chase, PayPal, etc. They might be entering into areas in which they lack competency. Remember the failure of Apple Maps. Incompatibly with other software. When a customer buy an Apple product, they enter the Apple universe. Apple product does not do not support other software or technology, making them incompatible with other devices. Customers have to exclusively purchase Apple apps or accessory to continue using their Apple product. Unfair business practices. Apple is under investigation for unfair business practices after receiving payments to make Google search engine as the default search for its Safari web browser. Collusion between the two giants make it difficult for rivals to enter and expand into search engine market. Thank you.
My name is Vijay Slimbasia. Apple opportunities. First, consistent customer growth. Apple has been dominating the technology sector for years now. They provide top quality and cutting technology that offers a breakdown in customers' experience. Their customers' rational rate of 92%. Apple can always rely on the power of the internet for future opportunities to gain new customers. Second, qualified professionals. Apple's researchers, developers, and product specialists are a term of highly qualified professionals that have years of experience in branding customer products. With the experience of their team, Apple can continuously build new opportunities. Third, extensive distribution network. Apple has the opportunity to expand its distribution network. Currently, the distribution network that Apple has is very limited and levels room for minimum growth. Apple can generate highly revenue and sales it focused on creating an extensive distribution network. Furthermore, the company can benefit from digital marketing and promotions. 4. Lack of green technology. Apple is yet to launch products that are created using green technology. The company has not yet completed or participated in creating sustainable technology that is eco-friendly. 5th, utilize artificial intelligence to increase its profit margin and have a strong market position. Apple should utilize artificial intelligence. Recently, the company has expanded its IA portfolio. Thank you.
Next slide, Pratham Kawani.
My name is Pratham Kawani. These are the Apple threads. First is coronavirus outbreak. Apple is highly dependent on China for its manufacturing and supply chain. In addition, about 14.50% of its $274 billion revenue came from the China. This is the big market for the Apple. The outbreak has significantly affected and may continue to disrupt Apple sales in financial year 2021. कोरोना वायरस की वजह से चाइना में काफ़ी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का तकलीफ हुआ था, इसीलिए एप्पल को मोबाइल और उसकी एसेसरीज के लिए उसकी सप्लाई चेन में आउटब्रेक हो गया था. और नेक्स्ट सेकंड वन इज सप्लाई चेन डिसरप्शन. द रिसेंटली इवेंट has significantly affected and disrupted its operation. Its report flat revenue in Q2 means 2020 and declined to offer annual revenue estimates of first year 2020 due to supply chain uncertainty. Increased competition. Although Apple has solidified itself, it still faces threats from competitions with the advantage achievement in technology. Brands like Samsung, Google, Dell are giving Apple through competition. As the competition is getting stronger, Apple either has to introduce new technologies or revise its pricing policy and stay ahead in competition. करती है मार्केट में. नेक्स्ट वन इज अ market presentation. There has been a smartphones market. Companies like Samsung, HTC, Lenovo are Android has captured 72.23% of the market shares, with Apple has only 24.55% of the market share. This is the Android has a more market cap and Apple has a around 25% market shares. China tariff. US government has improved a tariff on imports from China, increasing the overall cost products. It advisedly affected gross margin on the products and may make the product more expensive for the customer. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
What about others?
Yes, sir. Others Dhruv Gunia and Bhumit Chakuria.
Dharmik, Dhruvid, Bhumit, and Ankit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Please continue your presentation.
Screen is visible.
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay, sir. So my name is Bhumit and my group member name is Ankit. Sagatya, Dharmik, Konya and Dravik Konya. So today we explain about short analysis of Toyota. Ankit, please.
My name is Ankit Sagatia. My name is Ankit Sagatia. My group project name is Toyota Company. Strength of Toyota. Strengths describe the factors that which the organization is good at and what separates it from its competitors. Brand equity. Over the years, Toyota has been able to build a strong brand quality. The brand is known for its durability, innovation, product quality, and customer service. टोयोटा अपनी कंपनी घूमी तो ऊपर टोयोटा अपनी कंपनी को high focus on research and development. The company is considered an innovators and has a strong focus on research and development. The brand is investing heavily in growing its range of electrified vehicles. It is also investing in the development of human centric and safe automated driving technology. Varied product portfolio. Toyota has a large and diverse product portfolio and has a vehicle for customers from every walk of life. Toyota offers sedans, SUVs, sports vehicles, hatchbacks, minivans, station wagons, trucks and buses. It also offers premium segment cars under the brand name Lexus. Apart from this, Toyota is introducing a range of hybrid cars. Strong supply chain and distribution channel. Toyota uh, brought, brought, brought a large and efficient supply chain and distribution network. Each of the vehicle produced by Toyota is made from thousands of parts sourced from suppliers located around the globe. It has 167 main overseas distributors from the distribution of its product around the globe. Strategic investment. Toyota invests a large amount of money in developing innovation products that are meant to benefit the entries industry. The reason behind this approach is to increase market share and increase its profits. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Bhumit. Weakness of Toyota. Weakness stop organization from performing at its optimum level. There are areas where the business need to improve to remain competitive. First, product recall. In the past few years, Toyota has recalled several of its products from the market, which in turn has somewhat created a dent in its brand image. In 2017, Toyota was forced to recall around 2.9 million vehicles due to faulty airbag. Second, weak, weak position in Asian market. Toyota position in the Asian market is still weaker than its competitor because they do not bring any innovation in the Toyota product, which is why another company has sold more product than Toyota. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Dhruvid. Opportunities of Toyota. Opportunity refers to the factor which the organization can use to its favor to grow its market share, sales, brand, recognizes, etc. It's the second most important factor in Toyota. Expanding to others geographies with the vast portfolio of product that Toyota as the brand has a use potential to expand its opportunities. In other developing countries, investing more in this geographic will be extremely fruitful for the brand. Hybrid and electric cars. The futures of vehicle is electric with increasing pollution and crude oil price. The need for electric cars is in the rise. Toyota should be looking on investing heavily in the electric car segment as it poses a huge opportunities for the brand. Autonomous vehicle technology. Bring the first autonomous vehicle to the market has become the prime objective of many companies to it. Automotive brand like Tesla or non-automotive brand like Google, Toyota is a part of this trend as well. The brand investing $1 billion into artificial intelligence and robotic to make the dream of the producing the first autonomous vehicle possible.
Good afternoon, sir, and one and all. My name is Dharmik Punia. Threats of Toyota. Threats of factors that have a potential harm an organization in the future. Given the fact threats give a brand for a standard view about the problems brand likely to face in the future. It is one of the most important factor in the SWOT analysis of Toyota. Competitive pressure. Competitive in the automotive industry is cutthroat with different players fighting hard to get maximum market share. Competitive pressure is one of the major threats of the Toyota in the market. Growing cost of raw materials and labors. The cost of labors and raw materials is growing, which has the high operational cost in the vehicle industry and has ultimately affected to the profitability and the automotive brands. Stiff competitors. Toyota is not very friendly with top competitors because of the company does not advertise its vehicle globally to maximize profits. Toyota does this because it's concerned about competitor strength and products that are available locally and globally. The company is careful about its rivals, how they pose the threats of Toyota. Thank you, sir.
So both the company has been covered very nicely by Nakul and Pumit group. Like actually it's a one group only, but they have nicely divided companies. तो वो अच्छी बात है कि भाई 4 लोगों की ये कंपनी 4 लोगों की वो कंपनी, तो उसमें कोई इश्यू ही ना हो. So overall it was good presentation. Virtual clappings for you, Nakul and the group. The entire group has done very nice performance. The information भी काफी अच्छी कलेक्ट की थी. Good going. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, next one is Dhruv and group. दोनों ध्रुव है, ध्रुव तोमर एंड ध्रुव मानिक मोती.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, very good afternoon. Over to you guys.
Sir, I am presenting the screen.
Yeah, good Kamlesh, please keep it up. Next time कमलेश आप
Yes.
मारवाड़ी के email ID से ज्वाइन करना बेटा, मैं allow नहीं करूंगा.
Sir, I was facing problem in email ID in opening in a laptop. That's why, sir, I have joined from
Okay, done, no problem.
Sir, can you see the screen?
Yeah, it's visible.
So, good afternoon, one and all. My name is Kamlaj, and today me and my group member will be explaining a SWOT analysis on Walmart and Amazon company. Me, Dhruv, Manav, Shrey will be explaining on Walmart company, and the other group member will be explaining on Amazon company. Now some details on Walmart. As we all know that Walmart is a retail company. It is a discount department store and grocery store which is located in USA. This company was founded by Sam Walton. It was incorporated under corporation law on October 31st, 1969. It has their stores in more than 24 countries. The Walmart was in news before 1 year when they bought more than 50% of the shares of Indian company that is Flipkart. Last month, the Walmart CEO told that India will be among the most exciting market globally to grow to $1 trillion by 2025. This company is publicly traded, family-owned business, as the company is controlled by the Walton family. It is the largest private employer in the world. More than 22 lakh employees are working in Walmart company. Now the strength, as we all know that, what is SWOT? SWOT analysis means focusing on strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. Strength is the main important thing in SWOT analysis. By improving this topic, a company can grow and expand its business and also survive in the market, and also they can get more profit. Now about strength. Walmart's strength are all related to the size of its business. As we all know that it has grown. It has its retail store in more than 24 countries of the world, and still it is growing in many countries of the world. Walmart's strength for further global growth. There are three important factors that is the strength of Walmart. That is global organizational size, which gives the business deep pockets to fund growth and expansion. The second one is global supply chain. Walmart has expanded its supply chain globally, so it provides business resilience from market specific risks such as disruption in the local supply chains. The third one is high efficiency of supply. It is only because of advanced technology for monitoring and controlling the movement of products from suppliers to its stores. This was the strength of Walmart. Now my friend Dhruv will explain about the weakness.
Good afternoon. My name is Dhruv Manik Modi, and I will explain about the weakness of the Walmart. So, Walmart's weakness imposes the challenges on the firm's ability. These weaknesses are directly related to company's generic strategy and its implication in business development, capabilities, resources, and profit margins. Walmart uses the cost leadership generic strategy, which leads to the following weakness. So, in this, Walmart uses the cost leadership general strategy, so there will be the thin profit margin, an easily copied business model, and third one is the competitive disadvantage against high-end specialty sellers. So the thin profit margins are a typical effect of using the cost leadership strategy. Because Walmart minimizes the selling prices, it also needs to minimize the profit margins and rely more on the sales volume. The cost leadership strategy also makes Walmart's business model easy to copy. The firm does not have significant competitive differentiators except for its business size and price. Thus, the weaknesses presented in this SWOT analysis of Walmart reflect business vulnerability and to innovative competitors and disruptions in the industry environment, especially in the presence of major e-commerce firms like Amazon. Thank you.
Now Mano will explain about the opportunity.
Good afternoon. So I am Manav and I'll explain the opportunities. All right. So as we know, Walmart is a multinational company. So Walmart is continuously expanding and improving its business practices. These opportunities are linked to the global economic situation. Also, the human resources in the organization present the issues that are actually opportunity for the firm. So as you all know, that Walmart is continuously growing in every developing countries, and it does not just pick developing countries. They pick high growth economic rate countries which are continuously growing. Second, improvement in human resource practice to develop competitiveness in the labor market. So they have the highest labor working under their firm, and they in America they pay more than average wage. So the labor market can be compete with Amazon and big multinational companies like Apple. Third, improvement in quality standards. So improvement in quality standards. Walmart opportunity to expand in developing countries is based on their high growth economic condition. On the other hand, the opportunities in the HR practices directly relates to the criticism on the company's employment practices. So Walmart has a very thin profit margin, so it takes care of the customer. Like, they suggest to buy high quality goods, and they keep only high quality goods, so the customer can be benefited from that. Okay, now I will ask Shrey to continue the next.
Good afternoon, friends. My name is Shrey Mehta. I'm going to explain you threats of Walmart company. How threats affected in Walmart company. Threat includes anything that can negatively affect in your business. Threats to Walmart business are linked to retail market condition and the changes in consumer perception about the products they buy. The threats to Walmart are: first threat is health and healthy lifestyle trend. Healthy lifestyle trend is a threat and opportunity. It threatens Walmart's business because many of the company's goods are perceived as not healthful, not organic, or not natural. It is an opportunity because for company to its quality standards, they have chance and opportunity to improve their service and quality standards. This factor is more of threats because retail giant currently does not prioritize healthful products in stores. And second threat is aggressive competition. Competitiveness, competitive aggressiveness is the tendency to intensely and directly challenge competitors rather than trying to avoid them. It is another threat because other large retailers could use aggressive marketing strategies to capture Walmart's customers, and also small scale and large online sellers are a threats of Walmart. And last and final threat is online retailers of various size. Online retailing is also known as electronic retailing. It is the sale of goods and services through the internet. In this modern world, online shopping is gaining popularity among individuals. As a result, many customers are now able to purchase things or products online, which is convenient and cost effective. In this part of SWOT analysis of Walmart include large online retailers have the ability to attract and satisfy consumers, especially those who prefer the convenience of online transaction. Thank you.
Now the second group will be explaining on Amazon company. These are some of the images of Walmart store. As you can see, the public in the in the Walmart stores, and also every time you will find the discount being offered by this company in their retail store.
Yes, sir. Sir, my voice is audible?
Yes, audible.
So
Yeah,
good morning. Yes, sir.
Yeah, very
Good
good.
afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, my friends. So here, after the Walmart's introduction and SWOT analysis, now I will be giving a SWOT analysis on Amazon with the help of my friends Hardika, Pratham, and Priyanshu. So
Yes.
Just a minute. Dhruv,
yes, sir.
Dhruv Tomar,
Yes, sir.
Hardika Parekh, Kamlat Sekhar, and Pratham Tundia. You are going to present about Walmart.
No, sir, not Kamlat Sekhar, Priyanshu Bhindi.
ओके, तो
Last
लास्ट
name,
में
sir.
जो प्रेजेंटेशन था वो किसने किया था? कौन चार लोग थे वो?
First presentation was done by me, Kamlaj, Dhruv Manik Moti, Manav Manik Moti, and Shrey Mehta.
Just a minute. Dhruv Manik Moti, then
Manav Manik Moti.
Okay.
Shrey Mehta.
And Shrey Mehta. Okay, so now remaining will be done by Priyanshu, Pratham, Hardika, and Dhruv.
Yes.
Tomar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, done. Please continue.
Yes, sir. So good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, my friends. So I will be describing about SWOT analysis on Amazon, and I will be giving the information about Amazon company. So Amazon company was founded in 1994, and by the Jeff Bezos and was launched in the year 1995 with an aim of being the world's most customer-centric company. It is an American multinational technology company that is located in Seattle, Washington. It has a built-up effective customer service, including effective inventory and shipping empire. The company is guided by main four principles, which include customer obsession instead of focusing on the competitor. Instead of focusing on competitor, Amazon has focused on their four principles and the presence of operational excellence along with commitment to the operational excellence. Jeff Bezos, who is the CEO, former CEO of the Amazon, laid the foundation of Amazon in 1994. Originally, the company started as an online bookstore, but soon converted to a top online retail selling almost everything from A to Z, just like its logo says, etc. Amazon opens a seventh fulfillment center in Haryana ahead of festive season. And also, Amazon signs pact with Gujarat to boost state MSMEs e-commerce exports. And Amazon to host 5-hour career day in India, over 8,000 direct jobs ready. And Amazon app seeks shares of India's farm marks offers advice on crops. India's open e-commerce may close another door for Amazon. Now the strengths of Amazon. Effective leadership, determination and focus to customer betterment, and also according to the global brand ranking 2020, Amazon is ranked at second position after the first rank of Apple and the third rank of before the third rank of Google with the brand value of $200 billions. Competitive advantage in leveraging IT services which are capable and easy to ramp up global recognition as a customer-centric brand, use of superior logistics, and also as a global e-commerce giant, Amazon has a strong position, successful brand image in the market. Amazon caters to a large number of customers for everyday needs at inexpensive prices, and this has made it a customer-oriented brand. And also, Amazon frequently brings creative ideas and innovative additions to its product line and service offerings. Amazon is among the first companies in retail to raise its minimum hourly pays to $15 in the comparison of the companies like Target, Walmart, and Costa at the price of $12 per hour, $11 per hour, and $14 per hour. And in the ED servicing notice to note Amazon rising suspicion said by CIT, and Amazon opens fulfillment centers with 6 lakh cubic feet storage in Telangana. Now Pratham Tundia will be explaining about opportunities of weakness of this Amazon company.
Good afternoon, sir. Today I will be explaining about the weakness of the Amazon company. Now, the first one is the diversification strategy of the Amazon product is spreading itself too thin, and sometimes the free shipping to the customers can be dangerous for the making of profit. And third one is underestimating the competitors. Amazon is underestimating their competitors like Flipkart and Mintras. Because of that, in few areas such as India, Amazon has faced a huge loss, and because of it, its free shipping to customer can be one of the reasons that exposes the risk of losing margins in some markets. And fifth one is the Amazon owns a very limited physical store, and this is the reason which hinders to attract the customer by things which are not sellable in the online store. Thank you, sir.
Now Hardika Parekh will be explaining about opportunities of Amazon company.
Good afternoon, sir. So opportunity of the Amazon was highly hyped up in the coronavirus period because everyone wanted door-to-door services. Online payment provide easier opportunities of scaling up the business, productivity under its own brand, expansion in global footprint. By expanding physical stores, Amazon can improve competitiveness against big box retailers and engage customers with the brand. Amazon has the opportunity to improve technological measures and organizational policies to reduce counterfeit sales. Amazon can do backward integration by expanding its production of in-house brands such as Amazon Basics to differentiate its offering and improve profit margins. More acquisition of e-commerce companies can increase the company's market share and reduce the competition level. Amazon pledges to make a positive impact on the environment. With the vision in the mind, Amazon plans to deploy 10,000 electric rickshaws for delivery in India by 2025. Thank you. The next will be presented by Priyanshu.
Threats. Identify threats that hacking increases shopping, online shopping. 1 minute, sir. Aggressive pricing strategy can be a threat. It has competition from the local market. Government regulations can also threaten the business proceedings of Amazon in some critical countries. Amazon does not ship to Cuba, Iran, North Korea, Sweden, etc. Increase cybercrime can affect the network security system of the company. The increase in counterfeiting and fake product threats Amazon profit. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. These are images of Amazon stores which are based in different countries in the world. Thank you, sir, and thank you, everyone.
Good presentation. I appreciate Kamalajan group. Their efforts are good. Good alignment. Synchronization भी अच्छे से किया था. Virtual clippings for both the groups. Good going. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
अगर आप ज्यादा शेयर करते हैं मतलब नो डाउट वी हैव टाइम लिमिटेशंस बट आप रेफरेंस के ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट Yeah, so it's good performance. I appreciate your efforts. Good one. Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, so today we'll keep up only. That's it for the day. Thank you so much, guys. Please mark your attendance and enjoy your day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.